Grade 9 Mathematics Weekly Test 1 20 marks 40 minutes question paper. Section A. Root 6 into root 27 is equals to option A 9 root 2, option B 3 root 3, option C 2 root 2 and option D 9 root 3. Solution. Root 6 can be written as root 2 into root 3 and root 27 can be written as 3 root 3. On solving, we get the value to be 9 root 2. Hence, the answer is option A 9 root 2. Second question. The product of a rational and an irrational number is option A always an integer, option B always a rational number, option C always an irrational number, option D sometimes rational and sometimes irrational. The product of a rational and an irrational number is an irrational number. Hence, the answer is option C always an irrational number. Third question. Which of the following is irrational? Option A root of 4 by 9, option B root of 12 by 3, option C root of 5, option D root of 81. On solving all other options, we get a rational number except for option C root 5, which is an irrational number. So the answer is option C root 5. Fourth question. The decimal expansion of an irrational number may be option A terminating, option B recurring, option C either terminating or recurring, option D non-terminating and non-recurring. The decimal expansion of the irrational number is non-terminating, non-recurring according to the definition. Hence, the answer is option D non-terminating and non-recurring. Fifth question. The value of 5 cube plus 7 cube plus minus 12 the whole cube is option A 1260, option B minus 1260, option C 420, option D 0. According to the formula, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc, where a plus b plus c is equals to 0, where a is 5, b is 7 and c is equals to minus 12. Then 5 plus 7 plus minus 12 is equals to 0. So we can substitute the values in 3abc. Hence the solution is minus 1260, which is option B. Sixth question. 0 of a polynomial p of x is equals to 2x plus 5 is option A minus 2 by 5, option B minus 5 by 2, option C 2 by 5 and option D 5 by 2. 2x plus 5 is equals to 0, then x is equals to minus 5 by 2. Hence the answer is option B minus 5 by 2. Seventh question. Degree of a zero polynomial is option A 0, option B 1, option C 4 root 2 and option D 8 root 2 plus 1. The degree of a zero polynomial is 0, which is option A. Eighth question. Assertion. The value of 593 into 607 is 3,59,951. Reason. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false. Option C. And option D is A is false but R is true. The value of 593 into 607 is 3,59,951. And the reason a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square is the right explanation for the given answer as well. And A is true as well as R is true. Hence, the answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Section B, 2 marks. First question. Express 2.4178 bar in the form of a by b. So let us take x is equals to 2.4178888. If you multiply by 1000, we get 1000 into x is equals to 2417.88. If we multiply by 10,000, we get it like 10,000 into x is equals to 24,178.8. Let's take x is equals to 2.417888 as the first equation. 1000x is equals to 2417.88 as the second equation, and 10,000x is equals to 24,178 as the third equation. Third equation minus the second equation, we get 9,000x is equals to 21,761. Then x is equals to 21,761 divided by 9,000. 10th question. Factorize 4x square plus 20x plus 25. Solution. Using splitting the middle term, we get 4x square plus 10x plus 10x plus 25. From the first two terms, if we take 2x as common, we get 2x plus 5. And from the second last two terms, if we take 5 as common, we get 2x plus 5. Hence, we get 2x plus 5 into 2x plus 5. 11th question. Verify if 2 and 0 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x. Solution. Let us take p of x is equals to x square minus 2x. In the place of x, let us place 2. On substituting, we get the value to be 0. Hence, 2 is a 0 of the polynomial x square minus 2x. Similarly, in the place of x, if we substitute 0, we get the solution to be 0. Hence, 0 is also 0 of the polynomial. Hence, 2 and 0 are zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x. Section C. 3 marks. 12th question. Simplify by rationalizing the denominator 7 plus 3 root 5 by 7 minus 3 root 5. By using conjugation, we multiply and divide by 7 plus 3 root 5 since the denominator has 7 minus 3 root 5. We get the numerator to be 7 plus 3 root 5 the whole square and denominator to be 7 minus 3 root 5 into 7 plus 3 root 5. On solving, we get 47 by 2 plus 21 root 5 divided by 2. 13th question. If x minus 2 is a factor of f of x is equals to x power 4 minus 2x cubed plus 3x square minus ax plus 3a plus 7, then find the value of a. So, since x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial f of x is equals to x power 4 minus 2x cubed plus 3x square minus ax plus 3a plus 7, then x is equals to 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. Then in place of x, we can substitute 2 where the answer will be 0 since it's a 0 of the polynomial. So when we substitute f is equals to 2 in the given polynomial, we get 19 plus a is equals to 0, which means a is equals to minus 19. Thank you.